Hi friends! Let's meet more cool sea animals today. Pufferfish. Pufferfish blows up like a balloon. Tiny spikes cover its body. Clownfish. Clownfish is orange with white stripes. It hides inside sea plants. Blue tang. Blue tang is bright blue with a yellow tail, swims fast, and loves to explore. Seal. Seal slides on the ice, plays happily in the water. Swordfish. Swordfish has a long, sharp nose, swims very fast in the ocean. Manatee. Manatee is big, round, and gentle. Loves munching on sea plants. Stingray. Stingray is flat like a pancake, glides smoothly across the ocean floor. Sea urchin. Sea urchin is covered in sharp spikes. It sits quietly on the rocks. Beluga whale. Beluga whale is white like snow, sings softly underwater. Flying fish. Flying fish jumps out of water, spreads fins like little wings. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab has a hard shell. A long tail sticks out behind. Zebra shark. Zebra shark has stripes and spots. It rests calmly on the sea bottom. Tuna. Tuna is big and shiny. It races quickly with its friends. Crab. Crab has big red claws, walks sideways on the beach. Shrimp. Shrimp is tiny and pink, snaps its little claws fast. Pelican. Pelican has a big beak, scoops up fish from the water. Otter. Otter floats on its back, cracks shells with little rocks. Starfish. Starfish is shaped like a star, sticks gently to the rocks. Jellyfish. Jellyfish is soft and see-through, floats like a balloon in water. Sea snail. Sea snail carries a round shell, crawls slowly across the seafloor. Great job, little explorers! See you next time!